AlphaDrive BrowserLink allows you to use the Clio website to open files from AlphaDrive. BrowserLink requires that you already have AlphaDrive installed on your computer. To install BrowserLink, click on AlphaDrive on the left side of the AlphaDrive bar, then click on Settings. On the left side of the Settings window, click on BrowserLink, then choose the browser that you're using. Once the window appears, click the button to add the extension to your browser. You may also receive a confirmation box. Simply confirm the installation. You can now see that the extension is active from the icon in the top right corner of your browser. To turn BrowserLink on and off, click the icon, then click the toggle. Now let's look at how to open a document using BrowserLink. In Clio, select a client, then select a matter. Now, navigate to the Documents tab and choose a document. The first time you do this, you may receive some confirmation prompts. If you do, just allow them. Once the document is open, you can make changes as you normally would. After clicking Save, any changes you made will be saved into Clio's cloud. If you instead want to download the document, disable the extension by again selecting the icon in the upper right-hand corner and clicking the toggle. Now when you select a document, it will be downloaded instead.